But I recorded everything. I recorded the entire conversation, the entire thing, and you know, like I said, it's gonna be a huge problem because he detoured my car for a lot. I checked your guys' Instagram. You guys were working on other cars. I dropped off my car ahead of time, and then there was more than enough time. I don't need the car to be diagnosed any further here. Obviously, it's the same fucking problem. I took it home the next morning. I turned on my car. I noticed the cold start reduction when you guys told me to take it off. I took it off. I turned on the car. I let the car warm up. Not even 3 minutes into the warm up, the fucking code, bam, turned back on. I left the car here for 1 month diagnosing. 1 month. That's more than enough time for you guys to fix it. I paid whatever I had to do. I did my part. I did my ends. I didn't short you guys not a single penny. I don't deserve to be treated like this. And then for you to tell me over text message, try swapping over the Vano solenoids. Didn't I pay you guys to do all this? I didn't do that. I didn't ask.
I was trying to save you the trip.
But how's that saving me the trip if that's the main reason why I brought the car, dude? I'm not trying to be a dick, bro, but this is I paid a lot of. Did you know that I took my car to other shops? I paid money and I didn't get that money back, bro. I'm not gonna allow this to happen again.
That's why I promised and guaranteed it.
Okay, well then
hold. I would guarantee it.
Well, look, I gave you 1 month, man. I gave you 1 month. No calling, no pressure, no nothing.
1 month working on it.
I have no idea. You didn't start working on it until like the last day I seen your Instagram post.
You can't ledge.
Man, you could have so you didn't open up the motor before to find out what was the real problem?
I did. I checked your timing. I told you. I called you on the phone.
So you also checked the Vanos and you checked the solenoids. You checked. So why am I still getting the same problem?
The intake and exhaust Vanos.
And I'm getting the same thing.
Oh, we'll find out right now.
I just recorded everything, the entire conversation. You telling me this. I recorded me opening the MHD, showing. Look, it's still right there. Look, man, come on. Stop fucking playing games with me, man. This is a lot of money we're doing. And then you're gonna either hold your word or. I'm not, dude. I already got finessed by another shop by the same amount. It's not gonna happen again. It's not. I'm not gonna allow it to happen anymore.